Hi, and welcome to Aligned Health and Wellbeing. My name is Dr. Adam Wild, and I'm so glad you guys could join us here today because we're going to go through some really important information when it comes to our low back. We're going to go through 3 really effective exercises which are going to, 1, improve the strength of our low back, and 2, going to improve the coordinations of our low back. 2 factors which are really going to help prevent problems from happening in the future. So stay tuned and let's get started. The first exercise is called the accentuating temple. The accentuating temple is designed to help improve the strength of our erector minor down here in the low part of the back there, and also our glute muscles. 2 really important muscles when we talk about spinal stabilisation. So we're going to come down onto the floor. Two arms out in front of the head here. And we want to hold each repetition for 7 seconds. We're going to come up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coming down and rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest. We would typically like to start off with 5 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day, followed by an increase in repetitions. We want to really aim for trying to get up to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day. The reason why we are holding it for 7 seconds is because we would like to create a physiological adaptation to that exercise. And the studies and research show that an isometric contraction, such as one done by the accentuating temple, held for 7 seconds achieves this. So have fun. The second exercise is called the bird dog. The bird dog is all about coordination. If you can't get the coordination, stop, have a break and try again. So when we're doing the bird dog, we want to make sure that we're keeping our core extremely tight. That when we're moving our arms and legs, that we're not creating any torsion or twisting within the pelvis and low back, that it needs to keep really stabilised and straight. If there is any excessive movement, we're doing it incorrectly and we're not achieving the goal of the exercise. So you want to come down in the bird dog position, which is in all fours. You want to come down on both knees and both arms and stand over top. So just like the accentuating temple, we want to hold it for 7 seconds. And we're going to start off with 1 arm and 1 leg. So brace that stomach, stick the bum out slightly and bring that arm up, holding it for 7 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And then the leg coming up. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So we want to do the bird dog. We want to make sure that we do 10 repetitions on each arm and then on each leg. Once we've nailed that, and we can do that quite comfortably after about a week to 2 weeks, we want to increase it up to twice a day. We also want to add in some more coordination using opposite arm and opposite legs. So you come down in the same bird dog position. Make sure that we create that normal low back curvature in the back there, the low part of the back there, sticking the bum out, squeezing that core nice and tight. And we want to opposite arm, opposite leg, maintaining no torsion in the low back, holding it for 7 seconds. 5, 6, 7, coming down. And again, holding that core. 5, 6, 7. So we want to do about 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day, once we work up to doing it on opposite arm, opposite leg. And again, none of this should cause any pain. The third exercise is called the wake up. The wake up is an extremely important exercise because it combines the last 2 characteristics into one exercise, which is creating strength in our core and low back and glutes, and also improving the coordination on how that we stabilise our spine and how we use those muscles to create efficient movement. So to start the wake up, we want feet shoulder width apart. Now I'm going to come on the side here. We want the weight also going through the heels. And when we're bending through our hips and not our back. So squeeze that stomach on, bend through the hips, and engage the glutes and the quads. We're going to come in with our arms close together, pointing our chest up and forward towards the roof. Okay? From here, we want to outstretch our arms and holding it there with our thumbs to the roof. Squeezing those shoulder blades in together, holding it for 10 seconds. You should know that your back and your glutes are going to start to burn. 9, 10. Bring those arms close together, keeping that chest pointing out towards the roof, and we're going to start the wake up. Coming up, 1, 2, 3, for 15, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15, coming back, arms stretched back out, thumbs up to the roof, chest pointing to the roof for 10 seconds. 9, 10. We want to do the wake up exercise once to twice a day. You should notice that it feels like it's burning, and that's really good because we're going to create extra strength and that physiological adaptation, which is what we're trying to achieve. Pain shouldn't cause you any pain. When performing these exercises, it is very important that you don't experience any pain or any discomfort. If you are, it is time that you seek help from your local chiropractor. Here at Aligned Health and Wellbeing, I will make very sure that we can give you an accurate diagnosis of telling you what's causing your pain. We're going to be able to tell you what's gone wrong to create this problem. We're going to teach you ways to stop recreating this issue in the future, because prevention is always better than a cure. We're also going to have a concise plan of action, which is going to take you from where you are and to take you where you want to go, so that we can have the best outcome and help you get onto the things that you would like to do. So I hope this video has been extremely helpful, and I wish you all to have a very fantastic day.